Welcome to another story for learning English in a simple and fun way. Let's start. A surprise in the forest. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Alex. He lived in a small village near a big forest. Alex was curious and loved exploring new places. Every morning, he walked through the forest to enjoy the fresh air and the songs of the birds. One sunny day, Alex decided to go deeper into the forest than ever before. He packed a small bag with water, some bread, and an apple. His mother reminded him, "Be careful, Alex. The forest can be tricky." But Alex smiled and said, "Don't worry, Mom. I'll be back before sunset." As Alex walked, he saw tall trees, colorful flowers, and a clear river. He even spotted a family of deer drinking water. He felt happy and free. This forest is so beautiful, he thought. After walking for an hour, Alex found something strange. It was an old map lying on the ground. The map had a red X in the middle of the forest. A treasure map. Alex wondered. His heart raced with excitement. He decided to follow the map and find out what the X marked. The journey was not easy. Alex had to climb over rocks, cross small streams, and push through thick bushes. Sometimes he felt tired, but the thought of the treasure kept him going. Along the way, he met animals like rabbits and squirrels. He even helped a little bird that was stuck in a net. Finally, Alex reached the spot marked by the red X. It was a small, open area surrounded by tall trees. In the center, there was an old wooden chest. Alex's hands trembled as he opened it. Inside, he found something amazing. Alex's hands trembled as he opened the old wooden chest. Inside, he saw a shining golden key, a small diary, and a note. The note read, "Dear Finder, this key unlocks the true treasure. Follow the diary to discover it. Remember, the journey matters more than the treasure itself. Good luck." Alex picked up the diary. Its pages were filled with drawings, stories, and clues. Seemed to belong to someone who loved adventure just like Alex. The first clue said, "Look for the tallest tree that touches the sky." He looked around and saw a giant tree nearby, its branches stretching high above the others. Alex climbed the tree carefully, step by step, and when he reached the top, he found a metal box tied to a branch. Inside the box, there was another note and a small compass. The note said, "Follow the compass to the hill where the sun sets. There you'll find the next clue." Alex climbed down and followed the compass. He walked for hours, crossing meadows and streams, until he reached a beautiful hill. The sun was setting, painting the sky with shades of orange and pink. On the hill, Alex found a stone with strange carvings. Underneath it was a hidden drawer, and inside there was another note. This time the note said, "You have found the treasure. Your courage and determination. Keep this compass as a reminder that life is the greatest adventure." Alex felt a mix of emotions. There was no gold or jewels, but the journey had taught him so much. He had discovered new places, helped animals, and learned to trust himself. He smiled, realizing the note was right. The journey was more important than any treasure. As he walked back home, Alex thought about how he would share this story with his family and friends. He wanted them to know that sometimes, the best treasures are not things but experiences and lessons. When Alex reached his village, the stars were shining brightly. His mother hugged him and asked, "Did you find anything special?" "Yes, Mom," Alex said, smiling. "I found something very special. I found myself." And that's the end of Alex's exciting journey in the forest. Did you enjoy the story? Remember, life is full of adventures, and sometimes the greatest treasures are the lessons we learn along the way. If you love this story and want to hear more simple and interesting stories, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends who are learning English. Let's learn and grow together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.